When it comes to drying your pets, you really need to make sure that you read the label first. Different pets need drying in different ways. So some people blow dry their pets, other people leave them out to dry naturally, to air dry. I prefer to hang my pets out on the washing line to dry. So here's an example of that. First off, you need a pet. I have a parrot. This one is just finishing up her shower, so once she's done, I will then take her out and hang her on the washing line to dry. So I just take her outside. Best to do on a nice, warm, sunny day. And just hang her out. Obviously, sunny and warm conditions are best for drying.